This is a Hot Springs Model TX spa, and it's equipped with something called a Moto Massage, which is really just a jet that moves up and down. In order for it to work, the spa must be turned on to high and with the air jets turned on. Sometimes the Moto Massage stops working and sticks in just one position, like this one. You can see that the Moto Massage just stays in that high upper position and does not move up and down. Sometimes nudging it gets it to work, but most of the time it doesn't. Let's try nudging it. Now it's moving again, but soon it will get stuck again. As advertised, the Moto Massage is stuck again in the upper position. I'll turn the pump off now. So you have three options at this point. You can have the Moto Massage serviced for about $300, or you can replace it yourself for about $130, or you can remove it and try to repair it for about $2 and about 30 minutes of your time. So today I'm going to remove it and repair it. To do that, you have to remove this plate. This plate is secured to the tub in three places. 1, 2, 3. To remove the screws, you will need to remove the covers. There's a cover for each screw, here, here, and here. And the tools you will need will be a flathead screwdriver to remove the covers and a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. So let's go. So here are the three screw covers. Put them in a safe place where they won't get lost. Now I'll remove the stainless steel screws. Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, it's not necessary to drain the pool to do this work. There's one screw. Second screw. And here comes the plate. Put that in a safe place as well. And here's the Moto Massage. There's two parts to it. There's an air hose that needs to be removed just by pulling on it. And the Moto Massage itself needs to be unscrewed. here it is. Moto Massage. If you ever replace it with a new one, make sure you get a light colored ones. According to some people, there is a difference between this one and a gray colored one, and this one performs better. So let's get to work. So here is the Moto Massage, and this is the air hose, and inside is another hose that actually operates the Moto Massage. The first thing you'll need to do is to release the spine looking thing from the rest of the body. To do that, you just pull. I've already done it once, so it's going to look a lot easier than it was, but you'll have to pull until it comes apart. This is what it looks like inside. The hose attaches to this nipple. The other thing you'll need to do is to push this end in until you can twist it out of its guide, and then you can just pull it out. Here it is. This is the hose that needs replacement. So let's work on that. The original hose is 1/2 inch inside diameter and 3/4 inch outside diameter, a very flexible hose. The replacement hose I've chosen is 1/2 inch inside diameter, but only 5/8 inch outside diameter. 1/2 inch inside diameter and 5/8 inch outside diameter, to ensure that this replacement hose is flexible enough to allow the Moto Massage to go up and down. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove this hose and cut an equal length of new hose and attach it. I've cut a matching length of replacement hose. Now, because the outside diameter of the replacement hose is smaller than the original, I also cut 2 1/2 inch pieces of the new hose that I'm going to wrap around the new hose. Now the outside diameter will be approximately the same as the old hose. So like so. Well, wrapping a piece like this around the new tubing really didn't work. So what I ended up doing is cutting off a little piece like this and simply shoving it under the collar to make a strong connection. And hopefully that will work just as well. We'll see. Note that the collars, the 2 collars, one is attached to the threaded portion and the other one is on the hose. They need to be aligned in order to put it back into the spine, like this. Okay, the tubing is inside the spine now, and it's secured. Now we need to attach the other end, and to do that, you should push that in lightly, and also wrap another piece of hose tubing on the new tubing so that the outside diameter matches the outside diameter of the old hose, the old tubing. Took a bit of brute force, but there it is, secure now. The old hose, the old tubing, the air tubing. The new hose is installed. Because the Moto Massage is very flexible, it's difficult to screw it back in. So I inserted a rod through the Moto Massage, through the hose, to stiffen it up, and it should make it easier to put it back in. One thing to watch out for is that when you're putting the Moto Massage back in and screwing it into the water outlet, there's actually 2 holes. One works and the other one does not. If you're looking at the hot tub from this direction right here, it's the hole on the left that is the correct hole. Screw that in and water will come out of the Moto Massage. Keep that in mind. Well, the rod definitely helped in screwing the Moto Massage back in. Now I'm going to remove the rod. Just be sure not to over tighten the Moto Massage for running the risk of stripping the threads. It's just plastic threads. The other thing to keep in mind is that there's two black dots right here, one here and one here. They should be aligned vertically when the Moto Massage is properly installed and the airline hose is next to the nipple for the airline. Now I'll secure the cover back on with 3 screws. Now it's time to test if the repair actually works. So I'll turn on the jets and the water and the air. And there it is, going up and down the way it should. $2 and about 30 minutes worth of work. Saved anywhere from $300 to $130. Well worth it.